Are you planning to explore Manchester but don't want the hassle of dragging your luggage around? Radical Storage offers a quick and secure solution to store your bags, allowing you to freely explore the city. In this guide, I'll show you how to store your luggage at a Radical Storage point in Manchester, a trusted platform that provides secure, insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes to ensure your belongings are safe while you enjoy your visit. To find a luggage storage point in Manchester, head to the official Radical Storage website by using the link in this guide and avoid phishing risks. Once on the site, simply enter Manchester in the search bar, and you'll be provided with a list of storage locations across the city. Select a convenient spot near your preferred attractions or transportation hubs. After selecting a location, choose the times for drop-off and pick-up, and complete your payment. Radical Storage ensures secure online transactions, so you can book confidently. After booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to your selected storage point. Once there, show your reference to the staff, and they will safely store your luggage. It's that simple. Now you can enjoy Manchester luggage-free, knowing your belongings are secure with Radical Storage. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.